Back to my channel, Dhruvi Programming Academy. Today, we are going to talk about the relational operators in Python. Now, there are 6 relational operators in Python. What do relational operators do? They are used to compare 2 or more values. Relational operators help us know which of the values are greater than or less than each other or equal to each other. Now, before explaining this, I want you to consider that n equal to 5 and n equal to 10. For this table, we will consider that, and according to these only, we will try to answer these questions. Okay. So, the first one is the greater than operator. It is represented by a greater than symbol, and we check, is m greater than n? Which means is 5 greater than 10, which is false. Less than operator. Is m less than n? Is 5 less than 10? Which is of course true. 5 is less than 10. This is the greater than or equal to operator, which means either the value can be greater than the other value or equal to it. Okay, so an equal to just after a greater than symbol is a greater than or equal to operator. So is 5 greater than or equal to 10? False. 5 is neither greater than 10 nor equal to 10. Next, less than or equal to operator. A less than operator after before a equal to operator is the less than or equal to operator. So we check, is m less than or equal to n, which means the value should be either less than the other value or it should be equal to the other value. So is 5 less than or equal to 10? Yes, 5 is less than 10, which means it is true. The next is the equals operator. Remember that here there are 2 equals. Whenever there is a single equal to sign, it is an assignment operator, which we have seen in our previous video. But since here there are 2 equal to signs, it is known as an equals operator and it comes under relational operators in Python. It is used to check whether the 2 values are equal to each other. Is m equal to n? Which means is 5 equal to 10? False. 5 is not equal to 10. The last one is the not equals operator. This is used to represent not. So, not equals operator is used to check whether a value is not equal to the other value. So, is m not equal to n? Is 5 not equal to 10? That is true. Remember that relational operators will either give a true value or a false value. They are very important while we are they are very important while we are solving conditional statements. Okay. Now, let us look at the demonstration of the relational operators. Also, conditional statements in Python will be seen by us in the lectures that follow. Okay, so I have taken m equal to 5 and n equal to 10. Now let us check the relational operators one by one. So our first one is m less than n. Is m less than n? Is 5 less than 10? Yes, it is true. So it will give us true. Next, m greater than n. Is m greater than n? Is 5 greater than 10? False. False. M less than or equal to n. Is m less than or equal to n? Is 5 less than or equal to 10? Yes, 5 is less than 10. I told you that either of the condition should be satisfied. Either 5 should be less than 10 or 5 should be equal to 10. Here, our first condition is being satisfied, hence the answer will be true. Next, m greater than or equal to n. Is m greater than or equal to n? That means is 5 greater than or equal to 10? Both the conditions are false, hence our answer would be false. Is m equal to n? No, 5 is not equal to 10. Hence the answer is false. Is m not equal to n? Yes, 5 is not equal to 10. That is why our answer is true. I hope you have understood the relational operators. If you have any doubts, do write to me in the comment section below and I will make sure that I answer them. Also, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.